Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get the best settings to boost your FPS and fix lag on InZOI while keeping the graphics high. So first of all, when you are here in game, you want to press escape and then choose options button. Now once you will be on options, you want to go ahead and be on the graphics, and on graphics on display mode you want to go ahead and choose window. Here it is, windowed full screen. That's what you want to choose. Now after that you want to go ahead and turn off dynamic resolution. Just make sure it's turned off. Now if you have NVIDIA, you will see NVIDIA DLSS frame generation and also super resolution. So for super resolution you want to choose quality at least, and if you have AMD graphics card, then it will say AMD FSR free, so you want to also choose quality. Now if you want more FPS, you can choose performance, but the graphics will look blurry and not good, so I'm just going to choose quality for this one. Now you also want to go ahead and choose maximum FPS, so you want to choose unrestricted. And you also want to go ahead and turn off vertical sync. Now I cannot do that, but basically you want to turn that off. Now the depth of field motion blur should be turned off and nighttime vision 50%. Now ray tracing, you want to go ahead and turn that off also. And now you want to go to advanced settings, so it's these ones. Now if you have here ultra all the way, so just choose custom then. And now the character display distance should be high. Then lightning display distance should be medium, just like so. Object display medium. Background detail quality, let's leave it ultra. Oh no, we need to do this on high, a little bit lower. And then anti-aliasing mode, you can leave on TSR or choose DAA. Just check which one works the best for your computer. Now anti-aliasing quality, you want to do this to medium. Post-processing high. Shadow quality can be medium because it's not really that necessary. Then shadow casting light effect, I'm gonna turn that off. And now global illumination should be high. Ray tracing object, let's leave it to actual mesh. And reflection quality, let's do this on medium. Now we are left with texture quality, which we need to leave on ultra. Effects quality, let's maybe leave it on ultra too. And now the plant density, we can also do this on medium. Shader quality medium, and ray tracing quality can be very low. And that's pretty much it. After all of these settings, you can go ahead and click apply, then press apply. And now you will see your FPS, how much it was boosted. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.